nothing in the hair or beauty industry that I don't know, unless it is something that just came up yesterday. I am a licensed professional cosmetologist for over 2 decades. Today I'm going to give you reasons for unhealthy hair and a solution. I have dealt with people that have lost their hair through choosing the wrong hairstyles, people using too many products, jumping from one brand to another. You have to study your hair. Why is your hair not growing? Let me introduce you to Shebha growth oil. This product is one of the amazing hair products, especially hair growth products that you will find in the market. People cut off their lace frontals because the braid underneath was too tight or something, their scalp was irritated, you know. So this is where this comes in. This will make the tightness go away. You know, it will numb your scalp. You will not feel it. So that way you don't have to take it down. And at the same time, it will protect your hair from breaking. And this will do the same thing as this one. But this is the strongest you can. I mean, if this don't work for you, then I don't know what will work for you. Okay, so I recommend this 2 products.